When Audrey Hepburn stayed here in Rome, she lived in this apartment, which is Suite 610 on the top floor of the Hotel Hassler. And she probably ate out here and looked down the Spanish Steps and looked over the Eternal City. It's such a glorious, glorious view. But it's getting a bit nippy. It's supposed to rain fairly soon. And I am going inside right now to show you what Suite 610 looks like. It's timeless elegance, lots of mirrors. At first I thought that little black thing at the bottom of the bed was an ashtray, but it's not. It's for putting your jewels in before you go to bed at night. I'm going to start with the bathroom, which is Hollywood elegance. Fabulous toiletries created by the family. Vero. I don't know whether they are available elsewhere, but I've only tried the moisturizer so far and it's just lovely. The spa is also called Vero. And a big joy, a hot heated towel rail so I can dry my bikini from earlier today. The shower has big sized toiletries not attached to the wall. A green living plant. And now, going through to the living room, we go past the closet with the safe that is in a drawer. And here we are in a living room. You can't call it a sitting room. It's a stateroom. It's somehow, I think it belongs on a grand ship. There's so much wood here. It's just glorious. Wood goes right over the ceiling. Thank goodness it's not a wooden floor though. I've got lots of goodies to eat as I progress down the room. A reminder where I am, that little goodie is made by Hotel Hassler. Chinoiserie comes in at the bits of furniture at the far end. And as we swing around, I've got lots of books, which is very intelligent, including an Ansel Adams. I used to stay with a family which collected original Ansel Adams photos. The best ever photos of landscapes of American natural life. And look at the desk, walnut, look at it. It just soars with all these little drawers. You can imagine an Italian count or a Monsignor using this 200 years ago. There's dining for 3, but you could put the desk chair over and add that. And portraits of past residents, one feels. I can see who's outside. There we are. Well, there's nobody waiting outside. That's a good thing, because I wouldn't let them in anyway. And I'm going to finish with the minibar, because behind the minibar there are a few ancient relics which I rather like, and within the minibar they want you to have a really good time. Villeroy and Boch china and tea and coffee, lots of glasses and full-size bottles of practically everything you can think of. I bet Audrey Hepburn also had a great time here in 610 at Hotel Hassler, Roma.